Hi everyone, Chef Edie back again. So today I want to share with you my seafood and vegetable stir-fry recipe. So if you like seafood and vegetable as much as I do, you're going to love this recipe. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright, let's take a look at what we need for today. I have the seafood in this bowl here. I have 5 ounces of peeled and deveined white shrimp. I have 8 ounces of the fresh scallops. And then 4 ounces of the crab meat. And again, if you want to use more, you can. If you don't like shrimp, you could use put chicken, beef, or whatever kind of meat you like. I have a thumb-sized piece of ginger minced and 2 cloves of garlic minced. I have 1 cup of baby bok choy, and this is what I have on hand. So similarly with the vegetables, you can use asparagus, green pepper, red pepper, or whatever you like. But I have the baby bok choy. I have 1 cup of zucchini, 1 cup of fresh mushroom, 1 cup of green beans, half a cup of carrots, and a 1/4 cup of celery, and then a 1/4 cup of jumbo yellow onion. For the seasoning, I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now to marinate the shrimp and the scallops and the crab, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice cooking wine. You can also use a cooking sherry, 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, and then 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. And then to thicken up the sauce, you're going to need about a tablespoon of cornstarch, and you're going to need water. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get prepping. Okay, so for the seafood, we're just going to marinate it with light soy sauce, cooking wine, and cornstarch, and then we're just going to mix it. Set this aside. You can marinate it for up to ½ hour. Oh, and also put a little bit of oil in here. Alright, now we're going to cut off the vegetables. Alright, so baby bok choy, I'm just going to cut it in half. And that is it. Okay, let's get cooking. Alright. The wok heated up really good here. Get a little bit of oil in here. We got the ginger. And the garlic. And the onion. Now you're going to put in the seafood. to cook it for a couple minutes here until it's about halfway done. When you see the shrimp start to turn pink, then it's just about ready. Scallop's gonna start turning white. Okay, that looks about right. Now we're gonna dish that out. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. You don't have to wash and wok. Now I'm just going to dump in the vegetables here. Got the carrots, got the green beans, got the celery, zucchini, baby bok choy. I'm going to hold up the mushrooms a bit and let that cook for a little bit here. About a cup of water, or you can use a soup stock or a chicken stock. That'll make it a little bit more flavorful. And then we're going to cover it up and then let it cook. Okay, got it cooking for a good couple minutes here. Take a look. The green beans are still a little bit not done yet, but we're gonna add some mushrooms now. We're gonna cover it for another minute. All right. Let's see here. Carrots are about right. Green beans, looks like it's nice and soft. Now we're going to add in the seafood. You never want to overcook the seafood. Gently fold it in. Now we're going to add our salt, our sugar, white pepper powder, and sesame oil. cover it for another 30 seconds. In the meantime, you're going to get that cornstarch and you're going to mix it with a little bit of water to get that cornstarch slurry. Now this is what's going to make your gravy thick. Alright, so now when you add it in, just add a little bit at a time because you don't want it too thick. So I'm going to not need all of this. So it really depends on how much water you put in. There we go. That's about right. Alright. Let's turn that off. There we go. Let's go plate it up. There's the final product. Let's go sample. All my favorite vegetables are right here. Take a look at this big old scallop here. That ginger and garlic flavors. And that wine is in here too. You can really taste that. Big old shrimp. Get some veggies here. It's just right. Get some crab meat. Vegetable is tender enough, but then you got the celery that gives you kind of that crunch. Oh yeah. I'm just going to finish it right now. So please, if you like the recipe, let me know in the comments below. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and Get them out to you.